Friends, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you had a comfortable day yesterday and it was really value packed for you. As you know, the auto industry is passing through turbulent times. Coming on the back of steep growth in the last 2 years, when the complete auto component industry was struggling to meet the hunger of the OEMs and were consequently clamoring for more investment to increase the capacities, the year FY 11-12 saw sluggish growth. In addition to this, the demand skewed towards diesel models, and we were really struggling to get more and more diesel engines. The external environment also kept us on our toes with high currency fluctuations and commodity prices, which impacted our profitability very badly. On top of that, the customer is also becoming very demanding and differentiating factors in products are becoming too close. In this highly competitive environment, the Japanese practice of going to basics and developing good quality products at the competitive prices with the novelty factor is the only mantra for survival. As you all know, last year we initiated focus group discussions where we had brought in topics of our contemporary interests, and we had made different groups of suppliers where these people actually deliberated upon that what should be done to really take care of these concerns. Similarly, this year as well, we have taken up 4 topics. The first topic what we have taken up is speeding up of inner part localization. As you know that we have really suffered very hard due to this appreciation of yen, and at the same time in the Q4 of this year, the dollar rupee exchange also really became a very big problem for us. So as ultimately the risk is shared by Maruti only and we compensate our suppliers, this has impacted our profitability very badly. So therefore this is one of our group, and in this group we have taken Denso as one of our benchmark company who have really embarked upon a very intensive inner part localization activity, and therefore they would be sharing their experiences with all of you. The second area what we have chosen today is the prudent financial management for scaling up. Now this has also been one of our prime concern, that though most of our tier 1 companies are able to scale up and get finances, but our tier 2 and tier 3 people are really facing big problems in getting funding. So therefore here we have taken Subros as one of our benchmark company who has done really well in this area, and not only for themselves but also for their tier 2 and tier 3 suppliers. So therefore Subros will be sharing their experiences with all of you to really give the mantra of their success. The third area what we have taken is enhancing flexibility and defect-free manufacturing. As I mentioned earlier, the last 2 years have been very unpredictable, and we have seen at different times different demands are coming up. Well, while we were initially struggling for petrol vehicle growth, but suddenly we found that the petrol vehicle skewed and the diesel became a very big demanding thing. So therefore with these kind of volatility in demands, it is a must for us that we have a flexible manufacturing as well as which gives the best of quality. So in this area we have taken VCSIL as one of our benchmark company who have done a very good job in their company to take care of this problem. So they will be sharing their experiences of their flexible production and different pokayokes which they have implemented for their defect-free manufacturing. The last area what we have taken up is on managing people expectation. As you know that in the last couple of years, this has really become our topmost important topic, because the today's generation is very ambitious. They have lot of expectations, and at the same time they have lot of opportunities as well. So therefore really managing their expectations to see that they remain with the company for a longer period is really becoming a challenge. And in this area, this time we have taken Shriram Pistons and Rings, who have done an exemplary job. So they would also be sharing their experiences so that all of you can really get benefited. So with this, I would request you to look at this and really take all those valuable lessons which you can go back and implement in your company. So thank you.